Welcome to the AW Services YouTube channel. I'm Austin. I've done a few videos recently on electrical safety, highlighting the dangers of working near high voltage power lines and overhead cables. This video is really specifically aimed at the window cleaning, exterior cleaning market, but also if you're a scaffolder, painter and decorator, anybody that needs to work at height or using equipment to access areas at height. You need to be very mindful of electrical cables. At the moment, the National Grid don't publish any information on what types of cables are more lethal than others. But as we look at this window, it's a property I'm just doing a room cleaner. If you look at this window, you'll see, get the camera to focus, you've got 3 twisted steel conductors, four high voltage power lines. Let me just see if I can move this window to give you a better view. So directly outside of this window there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 high voltage cables. So that makes that like 3-phase. So that can be anything, I believe up to about 11 kilovolts. So if you're working or wanted to reach this window with a water-fed pole to clean it from the ground, you couldn't, because the bottom of the cable is too close within the safety zone of the cables itself. Really, you need good 5 meters, and the message from the National Grid and all the agencies out there that work on our behalf to protect us from electrical dangers all state, do not go anywhere near electric cables, full stop. But when you're a window cleaner using a water-fed pole, then it's difficult. But this video just surely highlights the close proximity of these old school style power cables and the poles that are in the street. And they've got another pole just there. The cables are all on the insulators. But a brief video for you. I hope that helps. Share it with your friends, make them aware of the dangers. It's absolutely imperative that we keep people alive. But thank you for watching AW Services.